हे फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं अनम और आज मैं आपको क्लास 8 का चैप्टर नंबर 15 सम नेचुरल फिनोमेना डिक्टेट करने वाली हूँ। अगर आपको ये वीडियो फास्ट लगे तो आप इसकी स्पीड रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following cannot be charged easily by friction? Answer is option B, a copper rod. Question 2, when a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, the rod, answer option B, becomes positively charged, while the cloth has a negative charge. Question 3, write true or false. First, like charges attract each other. Answer is false. Second, a charged glass rod attracts a charged plastic straw. Answer is true. Third, lightning conductors cannot protect a building from lightning. Answer is false. Fourth, earthquakes can be predicted in advance. Answer is false. Question 4, sometimes Sometimes a crackling sound is heard. A crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winter. While taking off a sweater during winter. Explain. Answer. When we take out the sweater, when we take out the sweater, the woolen sweater gets charged due to friction. Charged due to friction between the sweater and the body. Between the sweater and the body. This results in a crackling sound. Question 5. Explain why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. Answer. The charges get conducted to the earth through our body. When we touch it and the conductor loses its charge. This phenomena is known as electric discharge. Question 6. Name the scale on which the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured. An earthquake measures 3 on this scale. An earthquake measures 3 on this scale. Would it be recorded by a seismograph? Is it likely to cause much damage? Answer: richer scale is used to the richer scale is used to quantify an earthquake's destructive force. A seismograph would register an earthquake. A seismograph would register an earthquake with a magnitude of 3 damage from a scale of 3 magnitude would be minimal. 3 magnitude would be minimal. Question 7. Suggest 3 measures to protect ourselves from lightning. Answer: there are several strategies to shield ourselves against lightning. First point: stay in a confined space at all times. Stay in a confined space at all times. Second point: avoid coming in contact with any electrical phone or metal pipes. Third point: you should never take a bath in running water This could shock you. Question 8. Explain why a charged balloon is repelled by is repelled by another charged balloon whereas an uncharged balloon answer. The balloons are rejected because of the same kind of surface charge. A charged balloon obtains charges that are opposite to those of an uncharged balloon when it is brought to an uncharged balloon through the induction of charges. The balloon attracts the uncharged balloon because dissimilar charges attract each other. Question 9. Describe with the help of a diagram an instrument that can be used to detect a charged body. So you can pause the video and draw this diagram. Now we'll write answer. It is made up of a metal rod It is made up of a metal rod with a metal disc at one end and two aluminum foil leaves attached to one end. To keep the leaves safe from the ambient air, They are stored within a conical flask that has been corked. The aluminium leaves separate from one another when a charged body makes contact with the metal disc because the metal rod conducts some of the charges that are transferred to the aluminium leaves. We refer to this procedure because the charges on the leaves and the charged body are of same sort. They would be drawn to one another if the bodies were not charged. Question 10. List three states in India. Where earthquakes are more likely to strike. Answer: Gujarat, Assam, and Jammu and Kashmir. So the question number 11, suppose you are outside your home and an earthquake strikes, what precautions would you take to protect yourself is to be done by your own. You can do it yourself. Here is the answer. Question number 12. The weather department has predicted that a thunderstorm is likely to occur on a certain day. Suppose you have to go out on that day. Would you carry an umbrella? Explain. This answer is also to be done by your own. We have provided sample answer here. You can see that and write. So here was the end of the video. If you like the video, like it, share it, and subscribe our channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.